the same date. The same date, the same thing happened here.
And this year too.
This year too.
This is Bisami TV, and we are currently at Paraku Junction, where it's being flooded. Houses are immersed so deep into the water. Now, first car has gone. A motorbike went, but then it couldn't. The motorbike is gone. The water has taken it away, and they were able to rescue the person riding the motorbike. Currently, some cars are trying to go, whilst others, make a U-turn because it's not easy. If you believe your car is not strong, do not attempt to cross this bridge. Currently at Paraku Junction, Domi.
It's happening here.
So as we can see, the bridge is flooded. The bridge is full. And you, my cameraman, see houses here are all full. Houses are filled. No car can come out, no car can go. So currently right now at Paraku Junction, no car is going, no car is coming. So if you are coming around Paraku Junction, please be safe. Okay? You can't pass here. Thank you.
Go and go.
The water has taken one motor away.
One motor away.
Oh, the person on the motor.
The person, the boy had to drink the water. He take the human being.
Oh, so you have to enter the water to remove the human being. Yeah. But the motor is gone. Far gone. Okay. Thank you.
Tema nemo ya nam 25 bela pa ho. Me bela pa nim na we ka sipa be dia kwa adwuma. Aha flood papa. Enya sam kitwo o. Just enya sam kitwo. And then me go post office kwa me go do ho. Light imponi ho. Post office na flood. Esa wo be pro pa ka ka. Mo mutema ne. SMP Ghana.
The water calm kios go. That one no. I dim market the sedatives. And one my phone call me that the water calm kios go.
Where island? Charlie. Come here. Ghana. Trying to survive. Hey! Trying to survive. There are someone in our free on the I say. Already, we are one of the son. This is the city of Accra. Where they are so weapon. Where they are so weapon. They come out. It's so weapon. Very, very painful. Oh, very, 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 very painful. Very, very painful. Share the video. Share the video. Share the video. Oh, God. Share the video. Share.